to my channel. Look at it, look at it. Oh. Okay. I know you guys probably did not expect me to be back so soon, but I'm back. It's 2018. It's time to get these videos out to you guys. So today's video is going to be all about how I got this hair color. Yeah. One thing that I have to mention is that in the video, I was putting the cinnamon color at the top, at the roots, but I kind of mixed it with conditioner and it was kind of still too light for me once the color actually dried out. So what I did was go back in with cinnamon and put it more on the roots and bring it down to like right here because it was just too bright for my liking. But it came out pretty well. I have some stuff on it was making this really dark, but I can deal with this. At first it was like this color all the way through, but the cinnamon really made it more wearable for me. This is my first time doing color in like a year. I've done every color you can think of except this one in like yellow, which is never gonna happen. But yeah, I really love it. And feel free to leave down any questions, comments, or concerns that you may have down below in the comment section. I'll get right back to you guys. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye, mermaids.
Hi guys. Okay, I am first starting off with the BW2 powder, and I'm also using the 40 volume developer. Always use these two things whenever I'm bleaching the hair. I'm showing you here how much bleach comes in that package. Okay, and I'm just basically using the whole thing. I actually use two of these containers to bleach the hair, and I also use two 40 volume developers. Okay, so I went through a lot. Okay, alright, so I'm just pretty much just mixing the developer with the BW2 powder, and I'm really just eyeballing it. You want the consistency of the bleach to be, what do they say, like a cake batter mix. And right now I'm just applying the bleach all over the hair. Yeah, and please bear with me while I'm using the mic from my computer. I need to buy a mic like ASAP. But yeah. Alright, so we're bringing the bleach all the way up to the top of the bundle. And right here I am doing this just so it can be a nice gradient effect from the black all into the color that we're going to apply. Okay, and as you just saw, I just flipped the bundle over just to make sure I'm getting all parts of the bundle, and I'm also going to open up the bundles to make sure I'm getting all the pieces of the hair. You do not want to miss any parts of the hair when you're bleaching, just so when you actually apply your color later on, you won't have any black patches anywhere. So please open up your bundles and get into every nook and cranny inside that bundle, okay? Okay, and this is exactly how the color should turn out after leaving the bleach on there for at least 10 or 15 minutes. It doesn't really take that long when you're using 40 volume developer, but I said the longest they'll have to sit on there is maybe 10 minutes. But this is the color should look like. So you basically just want to repeat that same process to the rest of the bundles. And I'm also, right here, I'm starting on the closure. I am bleaching the knot, just so it can blend better when I'm actually wearing it on my head. And since this is the closure, when you're bleaching the hair, you definitely want to part the closure to make sure you're getting in the roots, okay? And right here, I'm just checking to make sure the bleach is penetrating all the way through to the closure. And as you can see, if you look right where my hand is above the bundle, the SZA closure, you can see it's already changing colors. Alright, so we're just going to repeat the same process on the bundles as well, like I said. And then we're just going to, apply the color afterwards. Alright, and you see that is how the bundle looks when it's processing, and that's the exact color you want it to be right before you rinse it out. And here's the closure rinsed out, perfectly bleached all throughout the closure. Alright, and now we are going to start with the color. We are using cinnamon on the roots of the hair. This is by Adore. So you all throughout the bundles and the closure, you want to start off with cinnamon at the roots and then bring it halfway down. And then towards the end, we're going to be putting Adore's Cajun spice towards the ends, okay? We're going to do that with all of the bundles and the closures. And I'm mixing the color with some conditioner just so it can help with bringing the hair back to life, because we did bleach the hair. So conditioning it is very important, and it also helps the dye to stretch out a little bit more too. Alright, so you guys can go ahead and keep watching the video, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video, okay? Yes, the chocolate girls can rock the ginger hair colors too.